Puzzles for Stroke Patients. This is Kalman Toth. I am the author of this bestseller puzzle book. The orientation of the puzzle book is for rehabilitation post-stroke. It has word, math, and logic puzzles to improve vocabulary, visual quickness, memory intelligence. Also adult coloring graphics. We see the graphics here to restore fine motor skills, which is especially important for writing and also just for daily functioning. One of the puzzle types is diagonal square puzzles. In this puzzle, every row and the diagonal has a word which has to be figured out, given only some letters for the word. The square is missing a number of letters. So this is very good language and very good writing exercise as well. We are seeing the puzzle pages here with the missing letters. Math puzzles are provided as well. These are numbers or using English words for the numbers. And we see the answer section for the diagonal word square puzzles. The next section shows word search puzzles. Word search puzzles involve finding the words on the left-hand side in the jumble of words on the right-hand side. Word search puzzles are excellent to increase visual quickness. These are coloring pages. Sudoku logic puzzles are really interesting. The digits 1 through 9 must be fit horizontally, vertically, and each little box of 9 elements. Missing vowels puzzles are really excellent to increase spelling skills. The word has to be guessed based on the consonants only. 6 by 6 diagonal word square puzzles. Word scramble puzzles. The letters are scrambled and we have to figure out what is the word. Actually, the answers are given at the bottom of the page. Another coloring page. Shopping math puzzles. Typically, examples given what you would buy in a supermarket or department store, and figure out the answer, how much you paid. Sometimes you have to give an actual number, sometimes it's multiple choice. The bottom has the answers. We see some airplane travel puzzles, which is good for math and geography as well. Airline travel math puzzles involve the speed of the airplane, the distance between cities, and the time it requires for the plane to fly from one city to another. Keeping the brain exercised is very important with people with health conditions, and also it's very important for healthy people. Brain needs exercise just like our body. This is the end.